welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my finale for Partners in Cream. I want to say this is like the 4th year we have been doing this. It is a project that was created by Steph and Delynn. Those beautiful ladies are going to be listed down below. This project was all about cream and liquid type products, your gel products, those kind of things that will have a high moisture content and go bad quicker. The whole premise of this project was to use up your non-powder makeup products in order to use things that are going to go bad faster. So I believe there's a spreadsheet. If so, there's going to be a link down below for that. This was an 11-month project. It started on January 10th and ends on December 10th. I am filming this a few days early just because, you know, it's that time of year. I'm busy doing 10 million other things. So I wanted to get this filmed while I had a chance to do it. And sadly, I do not have any rollouts of this update. I'm kind of disappointed. If I had that extra 3 days, would I finish something? Probably not. So I'm just going to go ahead and nip this in the bud, and I'm going to do my finale now. All right, I am going to do the last things that were rolled in, and yeah, pretty disappointing on this one, but it is what it is. The first thing is the Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in Hush Hush. I brought it in for 5 uses, and you can look. Does it look like it's been used at all? No, it does not, and that's because I haven't used it. I didn't use it at all. I have been hyper-focused on what I currently have on my lips because I would like to finish it this year, and I have a very limited amount of time to get that done, so I just prioritized the one I want to finish and didn't use the Buxom one. So this is going to go back in my collection. I love it. I do believe I put this in my 50/50. I'm not 100% on that, but I feel like I might have done that. So you might be seeing that again very soon. The next one is from City Color. It is the eyeshadow mousse in the shade White Gold. I brought this in for 5 uses. I only used it once, and that's because I have conflicting products, because I have a gold jelly much that I've been working on that is in a project to finish, and I use that more often than this, obviously. And also this was rolled in, I think, last update, so it wasn't as much time to get my usage on this. I could have probably gotten 5 uses, but then that was 5 times I couldn't use something else in its place, and you know, you've got to prioritize. And then the last thing is the one that has been in here the longest. I was really hoping to finish it. It is the Kulfi eyeliner in Tiger Queen. You can see all of my lines right here. Sadly, I was not able to finish this, but it is so close. I am going to continue working on this one. It will not be done by the time this airs, but I do believe it will be done before the end of the year, and you can see my little progress lines right here. So I put a hurting on this one this year. I enjoyed it quite a bit, but sadly I was unable to finish it by the finale of this project, but I do believe it will be done before the end of the year. That was a short and sweet finale. I do not know if this is coming back or not. It's going to be up to Steph and Delynn, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing it again, even if it does come back, because I'm trying to shuffle how I do my projects, and I'm trying to do less specific type projects. I want to do more projects where I can like mix and match and do this and that. Like, I just don't know. I'm not 100% deciding yes or no, but I'm leaning towards not doing this project next year if it comes back, just because I know these are products that I can put in other projects that I'm doing, and I have a lot of projects that I will be doing, that I'm already doing, that are rolling over into the new year. So that is everything for this finale. Definitely go check out other people that have joined in. They're going to be listed down below. Go check out Steph and Delynn because they are the creators of this wonderful project. I've enjoyed the many years that I have been doing this project, and I hopefully will see other people doing it next year. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.